In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. So this is whether you're on iPhone or on Android, both works. But before I start the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me a lot. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat app. Once you have opened up your Snapchat app, just take a quick photo or a video, but of course you don't have to send it to anyone. Then what you want to do is click on Send To. And as you can see at the top right, I have this little plus icon in where I can click on, and I can choose anyone and click create shortcut, and of course let's choose an emoji. Boom, create shortcut. So if you want to delete one, just click on the plus again, click on that person and just remove the check mark. So that's the first way. And if you want to remove it completely for the app, again click on the plus icon, click on the shortcut, and if you see at the top right you have this bin thingy, click on the bin thingy. Yes, delete the shortcut, and now all of the shortcuts, not all of the shortcuts you selected have been deleted. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, please let me know in the comments down below.